Attention business owners, are you someone who contacts your accountant in April to start to plan the taxes you're going to pay by the end of April? Well, I have to tell you, you're doing it wrong. This is the time you should be thinking about income taxes, not April, when your accountant is probably bogged down with their tax clients, but now. This is a really key time of the year. I want you to think carefully about what is your strategy, what's your plan for the taxes you're going to pay in 2019. And so we're going to spend the next 5 to 7 minutes of this video talking about why you need to have in your practice as a business owner, with all of the many hats that you juggle, a really good accountant on your team, and really what to look for when you're searching for an accountant. So let's tackle the first thing, which is why you need a really good accountant on your team. So much of what you earn in your business is subject to taxes. If you have a staff, you have to pay payroll taxes. If you own a corporation, you have to pay corporate taxes. You have to file GST, or sorry, I'm dating myself, HST taxes. You also have to pay, my favorite, income taxes. So you can't escape taxes when, in particular, when you run your own business. So you need someone who can help you understand the very subtle language of taxes. And the problem with taxes, it's always changing. So you need someone who you feel comfortable working with. So the first thing to look for when you're looking for a good accountant is trust that gut feeling. Is it someone that you feel comfortable talking to? Is it someone that you can tell your tax truth to? I often am passionate about talking about taxes because I tell my clients, I have one of the longest tax files in history, according to my accountant. And why that is I've been working since I was about 14 years old, and I've been working 3 jobs for a long time, right into my 20s. So I was always having to spend time talking to the tax man and trying to navigate how I could pay less taxes. So I'm really, really passionate about tax planning and tax savings because of my long experience dealing with CRA. So I really encourage this community to really hold the financial professionals in their lives, especially but not exclusively their accountant, feet to the fire, as someone that can explain the financial and tax decisions they're making on your behalf, that you feel that they can explain it well, that you understand them, you understand what they're saying, and you don't feel dumb asking them questions about your income taxes. And lastly, but not least, is someone that you feel will work hard on your behalf. When there is a tax issue with CRA, you know that they're going to be in your corner. So this video is to really encourage you. We are in a golden age of financial planning, golden age of working with professional advisors, in that we should feel if we're working with someone who does not serve our interests, we can look elsewhere. The marketplace is wide. And if you're working with someone that you don't feel has your best financial interests at heart, whether it's a financial planner or a tax planner, that you have choices. And you can be your best advocate by finding the person that's the best fit for you, by interviewing that person. I often recommend that clients ask for referrals to find good accountants. I'm always, by the way, on the lookout for great accountants that my clients can work with, who live nearby them, who are willing to work side by side with them. Please reach out to me. Please reach out to my team. If you're someone who is struggling with, the tax bill, you're behind on your tax bill, you're looking for strategies to pay less tax, and most importantly, you're looking for a good accountant to work with. We have a roster of accountants that we recommend on our list, and we're happy to share that with you. So I just wanted to spend some time talking to you about tax planning. I'm going to be sharing an article, so please look out for the article that accompanies this video on all the things you need to know when working with a really good accountant. As business owners, we wear so many hats, we juggle so many things. We really have to leverage our time so carefully, and truthfully, we cannot do it alone. We need a strong team. And one of the team members you need that I often will will collaborate with to make your tax situation better is your accountant. So thank you so much for listening to this video. As I said, please reach out to us if you have questions about your taxes. Please check out the accompanying article that I have, which will identify in more detail what you need to know about tax planning. And last but not least, it is tax time right now. This is a really good time of the year, not in April, to reach out to your accountant to really map out a strategy for how you're going to deal with 2019 taxes. If you wait until April to deal with your taxes, it's already too late. Thank you.